So how can you use the object eraser in the iPhone photos? Let's get started. If you are new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials on this channel already and also coming up, and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, you need to make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS because this feature hasn't been available always, so make sure you are up to date. But then just go to your photos, click on the edit button below to see like the different types of editing, like the changing of the filters and adjustments like that. But you should also see the cleanup tool, which is indicated by the like eraser icon. Keep in mind that it doesn't have to work on every single device. For example, it works on my Pro like device, the 15 Pro, but it doesn't work on the regular Pro. I mean, a regular 15, right? So it kind of depends on the device. I'm going to show you a backup method of how you can do this later. But once the cleanup feature appears, you can just use your finger to select the areas of the image, something that you want to actually make disappear, right? So it might be like a text or whatever else. It will try to make it disappear for you and then erase the object from the photo. Just make sure that when it happens, you hit the done button so it actually gets saved into the Photos app, and it actually stays that way. And as I said, if it doesn't work on your device and you need like a backup method for it, I recommend you to get the Google Snapseed photo editor from the App Store. It's a Google like photo editor app which you can get for free, and there you import the photo the very same way. Click on the tools at the bottom and pick the healing tool, which is what we need for our instance, right? It's basically the very same thing as Apple's cleanup. It gets the job done the same way, but you can use it on every single device. And yeah, you can select the objects and it's going to make it disappear. So let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more upcoming videos and tutorials like this one. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.